So in this little filler video, we make some cornbread in the truck. I was gonna make it as a short, but it ended up being longer than I thought it was gonna be. So here it is. Appreciate y'all being here. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, tell all your friends. Remember, we can move a lot of things across this country, but the one thing we can't move is the growth of this channel without your help. So help us out. Appreciate y'all being here. Catch you on the next one. All right, let's be crafty. I don't know what you want to call it. Let's make some cornbread in the truck. So now you got your Jif cornbread. Cut the top off, pour it into a bowl. What I like doing before I mix it up, I like crushing out all the lumps just to make sure you don't have lumpy cornbread, because we all know nobody likes lumpy cornbread. So smash out all the lumps. Jif cornbread takes 1 egg and a quarter or a third cup of milk or whatever. I don't have measuring cups, so I just kind of go by.
You feel with your heart.
Yeah, feel with my heart. So we'll mix this up. Start getting it mixed up. We're gonna pour some milk in here. We'll get it mixed up and we'll come right back. All right, this is where we're at. I think we need a little bit more milk to kind of get it all combined better. But that's where we're at right now. So we're gonna add a little bit more milk. Not much, just a smidge. Just a smidge. All right, once I get this all mixed in, we'll show you putting it in our pans.
Underneath the peanut butter.
So now we got, all right, now we got 2 little tiny pans, perfect size, 2 people in the truck, and we're gonna pour it in there after we butter it up. So take the butter and butter your pan. Take your little tiny pans and pour your mixture equally in each of them. In the container. Try to get as much out so you don't have to clean as much. We'll come back so you don't hear me scraping. Now you take your cornbread in your microwavable oven, turn on your APU so that way it don't kill your truck. I just draw the batteries down, but APU running. Turn your, what's this, the freaking Easy Bake Oven from Black & Decker. Turn your Easy Bake Oven on to 400 degrees. And you just slide in just so slightly. Now what I like to do once it's in here and they cook for a little bit, I like to turn them just to rotate the heat on them. But you gotta cook it for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. We'll come back when I rotate them or when they're done. All right, so they're not done yet, but I'm gonna do the manly thing and we're gonna rotate them. You get some more heat to the other side. They're not done, nowhere near done yet, but we gotta rotate them. Because this little Easy Bake Oven here doesn't get, I don't feel like it gets full hot enough, so we'll rotate it, crank the temperature up just a little bit, and that's what we'll do there, and we'll let it finish cooking. All right, well, we are done. We got cornbread, and that is how you make cornbread in an 18-wheeler or box truck or tractor trailer in general. Ta-da!